In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create color-coded status tags in just 5 minutes. These tags can be a game changer for organizing your tasks and projects, especially if you're using a platform like Notion. Let's dive right in and make your workspace not only more efficient, but also visually appealing. First, you'll want to head over to your workspace in Notion. Your workspace is the central hub where you manage your wiki, documents, and projects. It's where all the magic happens, so ensuring easy access is crucial for a streamlined workflow. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This step is essential, as it will give you access to all the functionalities needed to create and customize your tags. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your workspace. Look for the option that says Page or Database. This is where you can select the particular page or database you'd like to work with. Choosing the correct page is important because this is where your status tags will eventually appear. If this is your first time setting up, you might want to experiment on a test page before implementing these tags across your entire workspace. Next, click on Status. This is a field or column in your Notion page where the status of your tasks or projects is highlighted, possibly in a written format. Our goal here is to enhance it with color codes. Once you're in the status section, find and click on Change Status. This is where you can modify the existing text-based status. You might have simple labels like In Progress, Completed, or On Hold. The idea is to transform these statuses from mere text into something more eye-catching and informative through color coding. Now that we're all set up to edit, click on Color. This is where you can start adding life to your status tags by assigning specific colors. The beauty of color coding is not only in its aesthetics, but also in its functional value. It allows you, at a glance, to understand the state of tasks and projects without needing to read through text. Maybe you could use red for tasks that need immediate attention, green for those that are completed, and yellow for items pending review. And there you have it. You've now successfully created color-coded status tags that can significantly enhance the clarity and effectiveness of your project management setup. Don't hesitate to experiment with different colors and see which combinations work best for your needs. Keep iterating until you find the perfect setup that matches your workflow. Thank you for following along, and I hope these straightforward steps help revolutionize your Notion workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tricks. Until next time, happy organizing!